Oh fuck, man. It's a good one. I think I just missed this. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. This is your host, Jared, tuning in for Asian session. Uh, so we had a loss last night during NY session. I want to see if we can have see anything playing out on gold now that we can capitalize on. So before we do anything, we're just gonna clear out our chat. As you can see on the screen, we have right hand side of the. I have two charts on my screen: the right hand side and the left hand side. The left hand side and the right hand side. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the daily time frame on the right hand side of the screen, see what's happening on the daily time frame on gold. Looking at yesterday's candle, we pretty much came up and retested this support level on the daily time frame. Right here, came back down and closed bullish, but a sort of a weak bullish candle, creating some sort of like support level just a little bit below 1645, around 1644 area. So that's that. Oops, what's this? What's happening here? Okay, now let's see what's happening. What happened on the 4 time frame when that happened? So it looks like the top wick on the daily candle right here was pretty much this reversal, a kind of a reversal. We had the previous 4-hour candle close bullish, creating some sort of support level. But based on the daily time frame, we have created a resistance area, just almost stepping into 1770. Never really reached 1770, but pretty much respected the 1667 price level, creating some sort of resistance over there, and then driving down. So we had not the previous 4-hour candle, but the two 4-hour candles before that were pretty strong bearish 4-hour candles. So we don't really have much bullish plays, bullish momentum on the 4-hour time frame. I think this may potentially be a fake up for us to potentially drive bearish. I still think we have room to drive bearish. Yeah, potentially down to 1642 area. So we'll see if that plays out. So looking now, switching from the daily time frame to the 1-hour time frame now, comparing that to the 4-hour time frame to the left, we can see that we have a bullish run since 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. this morning PNG time. So we have a support level at 1648. We had some consolidation area around the 1650 area. Now we're trading above the 1650s area. So looking to the top, we have clean traffic coming up all the way to this resistance, this daily resistance over here at 1664. But I'd like to see how price reacts of 1655. Right over here, either 1655 or 1666. So I'd like to see some confirmations for us to take sales, because I'm pretty much strong sales bias at the moment. But anything could happen. We could potentially see a weak fill on the daily time frame even. So at the moment, we really don't have our bias yet on the lower time frames, but we're leaning more towards the bearish. Side of things. So we'd like to see some rejections at around 1655 or potentially retest 1660 again to potentially drive bearish. So I think for this session, our buys is going to be only for sales, because we missed out on buys over here on the candle open, but yeah, it hasn't really ran it much. So we'll see how it plays out. I definitely think we're going to have a nice, good clearing session today. So we'll see. How's everyone doing? How did everyone's day go yesterday? I had some errands to do yesterday. That's why I wasn't too busy on the chats. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute time frame now. We can see that this 30-minute candle is kind of rejecting this 1653 area right over here. I definitely think we could get in on sales over here if we have some confirmations on the lower time frames. Potentially retest this support level on the 30-minute time frame, even at 1648. So we'll see how that plays out. This is going to be a very good, clean price action day. Let's check if we have any bank holidays today. Today's Tuesday. Nothing at all. No major high impact news whatsoever. Let's look at the headlines. Let's see what's happening. We have a couple of high impact news on JPY and NZD, but I doubt it's gonna affect gold that much. So I'd like to see how price reacts off this level right here. Or maybe 1655, 500. Potentially see a rejection on that level. Shall see.
Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone. waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame.
Instant deposit and withdrawals for Blueberry Markets. Guys, I love this broker. So if you're not in on Blueberry Markets yet, come on guys, I suggest you get in on that. Get familiarized with it.
You just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough. Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Sorry guys if I'm quiet in the streams. I'm also doing some other work apart from trading. Gotta manage shit. Gotta manage my some business. We have the 1 hour candle and the 30-minute candle and the 4 hour candle even starting to flip bearish also. I'm really gonna wait for patience. Honestly, actually, only cause I had a losing day yesterday. I only took one trade during annual session yesterday, which was a bust. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait for confirmation. So if this candle closes bearish, then we could potentially anticipate the next forward candle to close bearish. Potentially. Let's see. It's gonna be our only trading plan. Yeah, I think we could start driving bearish now, due to the fact that we had rejection on the daily time frame yesterday's daily, very, weak rejection on yesterday's daily candle. We have previous week bullish forward candle. We are rejecting this previous support level just a little bit below 1653. The 1 hour time frame. This is also a resistance level that we broke out of on the session yesterday, which is a pretty high volume session. So it could be the moment we start driving bearish at this point. So you just have to wait for the next 9 minutes, see how this 30-minute candle closes before taking any trades. It's gonna be this. This is gonna be the only trade trading plan for the day. So Uh, Looking at the 30-minute time frame, gonna have some issues around here at 1650. Definitely. So So we have this 30-minute closing in the next couple of seconds. I'm not too confident on seeing how this candle closes, so I think I'm gonna wait for the 1-hour candle close, because this only indicates that doesn't tell me anything about how this candle is closing. I'd ideally like to see a strong bearish candle for me to take a trade. So maybe we can get that on a 1-hour time frame. That would be ideal. But on the other hand, if I take this trade in a 30-minute time frame, I'll have a very good stop loss. So that's something I have to contemplate right now. Because if I take a trade on the break of this 30-minute candle low right over here, the stops would be around what? 18 pips, which is a very, very good stop loss for me. So at the moment we don't have any confirmations yet, so we just have to be very vigilant on our entries. We want to take the best entries possible, so no FOMO entries. Okay, no entries, no confirmations yet. We have this 30-minute candle looking to flip bearish, but we are chilling at the moment. Trying to push bearish at the moment. I'm really thinking of taking an impulse entry on the break of the previous 30-minute candle low. Right there. Guys, just executed a trade right over there. Hopefully we can stay bearish at this point. 2 more entries. Okay, entry at 1651.72. So 1651.72. So entries at 1651.72, and our stop loss is going to be above the previous candle at around 18 pips, and we're going to be targeting the lows at 1647.50. That would be ideal, but that's at 40 pips. I'm going to be securing profits along the way, so we'll see how that plays out. This is going to be an amazing trade, amazing execution. I'm very, very happy with this. So look forward to the outcome, whether it's a win or a lose. I think I'm very, very confident. So we'll see how it plays out. It's an impulse entry, but it's based on experience. So we're going to be securing profits at around 20 pips, and we'll see how the rest runs. When it moves to 10 pips in profits, we're going to look to manage risks. So let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna be managing. I will be managing this trade on the 30-minute time frame. So there we go. We're pushing nicely at around seven pips right now. Once we reach 10 pips, I'm gonna look to manage risk, reduce my risk a little bit. See if we can clock 20 pips at 16.72. That will be the area I'm gonna be securing most of my profits, and I'm gonna see if let's try go full TP. So it's gonna be a very nice trade. $16.72. There we go, guys. We have reached 10 pips of profits. So we just mirrors to the current 30-minute candle high. That will play out from there. $16.49.72. Okay, there we go. We're still in profits. Kind of rejected this being rangy area right now between this 1650 area. So I'm really looking for price to break below 1650 at this point. Okay, since we've got back to entry, once this candle starts flipping bullish, manage risk further. Using half my positions. This is gonna be very good. So we do have 20 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes, and that will also be the 1-hour candle close. So already bearish on the 1-hour time frame. Yep, now we just have to break below the previous 1-hour candle low, and that would be great. And then we're on our way to this support level at 1648. So really anticipating a break of 1650. Really want 1650 to break at this point. If we start breaking our low, our own candle low again, I'm gonna manage risk further by uh, cutting my risk in half when it comes back to my entry. So great. Always love managing risk. I love it when I lose less than I win. Love managing risk. I'm running at like six pips at the moment. If you go to 7 pips, actually 10 pips again. If you go to 10 pips again, that's when we're gonna be managing risk further. So we are hovering around our entry level, our entry area. Ideally, we want this 30-minute candle close bearish. So once it starts flipping bullish, I will be uncomfortable in the trade. So I'm not really anticipating this 30-minute candle to close bullish. So when it flips bullish, I'm gonna reduce my risk by closing half my positions at that point. We don't only secure positions and profits. We do close partials and losses just to minimize our risk, and minimize our loss, and we end the trade less than the amount we anticipated. Hey, what's up, Jordan? What's up, bro? How you doing? No W's yet. Still in the trade. Pretty good. Watching Chargers vs Broncos football game. What about you? Uh, watching Gold. Nice, bro. I'm not really into American football, but we have the Rugby World Cup going on in England right now. But yeah, right now, time is it in England right now? It's like night. Yeah, like I said, if this if this current 30-minute candle flips bullish, I'm gonna secure half my profits. Secure close half my position size. Take half risk out. We'll see. What's happening on the 15-minute time frame? A little bit tricky on the 15-minute time frame. You look at the 15. Well, now I am. Yeah, I look at the 15-minute time frame, but I think the 30-minute candle, the 30-minute time frame is a pretty strong confirmation time frame too. So the 15-minute time frame is messy sometimes. So yeah, that's why I really don't like looking at the 30-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I don't like how this 30-minute candle is closing right now. I'm moving right now. We do have 11 minutes until this candle closes, so give it the benefit of the doubt. Like I said, if this 30-minute candle starts flipping bullish, hasn't flipped yet, but if it does, I'm closing 50%. I have my here we go. Just close 50% of my trade right there. Reduce risk. Flips. It flipped bullish right here, so I close 50%. Just on the flip.
how it is when you buy a new Mac. It's super fast at first, and then pretty soon after it starts to slow down. That's probably
I guess that answers my question. No worries, bro. Like I said, this is the only trade I'm taking for today. But since I took half my risk out, I'm trying to see where I could potentially add the risk back. Maybe upon confirmations. But if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna let it run. I didn't take 50% off. I took like 40% off, so I still have 60% running. 60% of my original lot size is running, so I think it's gonna be a good trade. Win or lose. If we lose, then we manage risk. If we win, then we're still gonna be in profits. So that's the important thing. We're back in profits right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move profits. Move TP and break profits at 20 pips. No, nah. I'm not gonna enter any. I'm not gonna add any positions back. I'll just leave this. I'll just leave the 60% running. You know what? I actually might add my 40% back. I actually might do that. Depends on how I see this candle closes. We're running very nicely right now, so I don't see a need to do that. This is a better confirmation candle right over here. If it closes bearish, strong bearish like this is what I wanted to see. This would be a very nice confirmation to take a trade. But if I hadn't taken a trade already, I would take a trade after this candle closes. But since I'm already in a trade, I'm just gonna let this one go. Yeah, you're definitely right about that. It's too late if it closes far down, but the important thing is we manage risk. So, but if we do secure profits at 30 pips, gonna be great. Moving in like 10 pips right now. So at this point, um, if you go back to our entry, at this point right here, if you start moving back to our entry point, I want to close half again at our entry point. Oh. This doesn't look too good. I mean, we are in profits, but I like to see a strong bearish candle close. The 1 hour candle closed bearish, which is a good sign. The 4 candle is also bearish at this point. We have tapped into the support level on the 4 time frame, so currently I'm not looking to add any positions on the 4 time frame. Based on the 4 time frame, I might completely reject the support level on the 4 time frame. Right here, we have the new 30-minute candle open right now, driving nicely. Maybe make a top wick first, then drive. Not too sure. know what? Actually, I'm gonna add my 40% right over here. This is where I added my 40%. What price is that? 1651.05. So. Scaled in right over here. Stop loss above the previous 30-minute candle, anticipating a break of the low of this current 30-minute candle. Really anticipating a drive down to potentially TP over here. So this is a pretty good scale in, I should say. I think I'm going to secure most of my profits at 20 pips. Okay, great. Okay, now we just have to break below 1650. We just have to break below 1650 at this point. I know we can. If we break below the previous 30-minute candle, my stop loss for the first trade is going to be a break even, and that's how we're going to manage risk. Just have to break below the previous 30-minute candle low. So I've got two positions running. First one, 60% of the original position running. The second one is just an add-on. Added the risk back on, so we'll see how it goes. There we go, pushing nicely. Since we've broken below the previous 30-minute candle low, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my first trade at break even. We're also breaking below the previous 1 hour candle low, so I think we have potential to drive now. There we go. If we tap 20 pips, if we tap 20 pips, I want to secure my entire positions on the scaling trade. I mean on the scaling entry. So just to cover losses, just to cover my previous partial that I closed in Jordan, and also be in a little bit of profits. So. There we go. Going nicely. We're approaching 1650 right now. So hopefully we can break through the level. We'll anticipate 1650 to break. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe we can clock 30 pips on this trade right over here. On the original position. Yes. So we have a pretty strong 30-minute candle close. The previous 1 hour candle close too looks solid. So hopefully we can start driving now, potentially retesting the lows at 1648. And I say we're done for the day. I won't be trading London session, guys. It's gonna be my only trade for the day. So we're running in some very nice profits right now. We just have to be patient. There we go. Almost there, guys, almost there. We're tapping 1650 now, so I know a lot of people are gonna jump in on buys at that level, but we are gonna break through the level. Smash 20 pips. 20 pips is also gonna be a TP, so. This is a pretty good scaling. Pretty good scaling. So I'm just gonna be patient now. We just need to drive down a little bit further. Just a little bit more, guys. Just a little bit more. Tap 1650, so I don't know. Oh shit. This doesn't look too good. This doesn't look good at all. um Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just tapped 20 pips. So we have secure profits at 20 pips, so stops now is at break even. Very good trade. At this point, we're gonna move our stop loss on the initial trade to 10 pips in profits. So if it hits 10 pips, we're gonna be even further in profits. But at this point, pretty much done for the session. We're gonna look to see if we can secure some more profits at 30 pips, which is at 1648.72, right over here. Oops. 1648.72. Thanks guys. Yes, W's in the chats. It's good to have a win after losing session yesterday. So we're currently running at 25 pips right now. Hopefully we can tap into 30 pips and that will be super great. And then we'll see if we can have partials running to TP. But congratulations guys. Congratulations McLavin on taking this trade. Jordan. We do this every day. We take losses together and wins together, so now we're just chilling right now. extremely happy with this trade. Extremely happy with this trade. Okay, we have the daily candle flipping bearish. Flipped bearish already. Right here. So can drive down a little bit further, that would be great. Yeah, actually I'm gonna move my partial TP to 12 pips. 13 pips. Somewhere here. So guys, we just got stopped out at 20 pips, 10 pips back in profits. Move our stop. I mean, not 10 pips, sorry, 13 pips. So our partials got stopped to back out at 13 pips in profits, but this is very good. We secured the majority of our positions at 20 pips, which is great. Pretty much done for the day. It was so very good to have a winning session right now. So. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subscribers. Hey, Jordan. I'll catch you during Asian session tomorrow, bro. Oh, he's probably sleeping right now. Anyways, cheers, guys. For those of you who are new to the streams, we do this every day, guys. We do this every day. Didn't take any trades during Asian session, London session yesterday because had power issues during Asian session. Had see ya, bro. Thanks for tuning in. And I had to go to the bank during London session yesterday, so. Anyways, very nice session. So I'll catch you guys. I'll see if I can pop in during London session. So cheers, guys.